See right now. Right here, we're gonna make this. We're gonna we're gonna put a hose to this and connect it to like going inside the castle. Yeah, man. I I got- I got a feeling it's gonna look good. The good thing is only 3 days. That way we can go ahead and start moving everything. I'm gonna get a sofa bed ordered too. I'm gonna get it made. I ordered once like a budget tablet for my girl on Lazada for 2,000 something. We received an empty box, but Lazada was refunded. Really? Damn, that's crazy, bro. That's never happened to me yet. Tacos and adobo. Saludos. Saludos, man.
Bangka kayo. Kailan mo na yung recording? Recording nga ni dos. Ay kanina dos na pod pa. Napumanit luring si Kalong.
Oh, they look thick.
Oh, lagi luring pa man yo. Dos.
Baby, that's super.
Dos bro.
Babe,
Luring mo
that's super thick. We're gonna have enough cemento.
Dos bro. Tres.
Ah, okay, okay.
Ulang pagkuan para masaya ng rural para mahimo sis. Ako lang diha sa karsada tres na aduse.
They didn't
Sila karsada.
tacos and adobo. They didn't what do you call it? It wasn't smooth. Yeah, it was done, but it looked. It's not. It wasn't straight, or it wasn't. It wasn't. They're gonna put the color. They're gonna put the color on top, or what? Oh wow. Yeah, it's actually thicker right there. You see? It's like this much thicker. And then we have some and then they're gonna put a color cement. So they're gonna give it like a dark gray finishing. Ay, cabrón. Oh. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, this is and then you see this? Man, bro, that shovel is making me that shovel is making me feel weird. Tacos and adobo. Yeah, that's what I was trying to explain in there, but it's too loud. Uh, That's the